Okay, so now I'm heading into part 1. And this is step 1 of part 1. So this is how to create the actual headphones, part of the headphones. And so we're going to create the ear pad first. And it says to do it 46 by 132 in a rectangle using the rectangle tool, which is right here. And if for some reason it's set to a different shape, you can hold this down and let's do select, okay? So I'm just going to draw out a rectangle. It automatically sets it to this setup. So what I can do is use my selection tool. I'm going to get rid of our stroke first, and then I'm going to worry about this fill. And so for the fill, it wants this color. So I'm going to do Control C to copy. And then I can double click, make sure I've got it selected, double click, and then Control V. It's going to paste that color for me. Okay. And then to change the actual dimensions here, set up right over here in your properties tool, that panel. So I'm going to set that up to be 46 by 132. Awesome. And then it says to use the transform panel. You're going to make this 14. Well, when we're over here, this is the transform panel, but you don't see it. So you actually have to click right here to the more options, and then you can change it. I make sure that this is selected so that way they're not all connected, trying to make them all small at the same time. So I'm going to make this 14. Make that one 14. And then this side's going to be 2. You can see here where it rounds this off by that much. Okay. So that's step 1. You can look back here in the pictures if you need it. So then it says duplicate. So again, we make sure it's selected, and it's Control C and Control V. Let's make it. I'll line that up. And now it's going to have us change the colors and the width. So this width now is going to be 36. So instead of 46, it's going to be 36. And then the right side, we're going to change it from 14 to 10. And then our color, again, I'm going to Control C and double click on it over here. Control V. There we go. Okay. So then there's a third color it's going to have us do. So we're going to, again, Control C, Control V, move it on over. And then this time, it's going to have us change it to 24. It makes it smaller. And then our radius is going to go from 10 down to 6. Oh, there you go. Let's see. I'm just checking something. This should not say left, it should say right. There we go. Okay. So we got that. And then we're going to copy and paste this color. So it's Control C. selected and do Control V. That didn't work, so hold on. Oh, hold on, guys. Okay, for some reason it doesn't want to change colors. That's cool. Try this again. There we go. Okay, that was weird. It happens. So then step 4 is going to be creating the ear pad onto this. Okay, so it's going to have us create another little rectangle. So first I'm going to try to make sure that all these are lined up. If I really care, oops, I could do view, where is that, rulers. And I could just literally, so you just grab, like you literally click on the ruler, and then I can move it over if I want to. That's just if you're a little perfectionist, which is fine. I'm not trying to do that today. And so I'm going to go over here and just check this, make sure it's right. Cool. So I'm going to grab another rectangle, and then I'm going to change it using my selection tool. They want it 4 by 128. I'm actually close. So 4 by, man, that was almost perfect. Okay. And then the color, this is going to be your fill color. So we're going to copy it and paste it. And then I'm going to line it up. And you can see here where it's kind of in the middle. That's where I have mine set. There we go. Okay. So that is steps 1 through 4. I'm going to start the next video with step 5 for part 1.